Welcome to Patricia Delights, and today we will be cooking oven. They look absolutely delicious. This is our roast chicken out the oven. It looks absolutely delicious. Hi, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be making a party cheeseburger. This cheeseburger is made to feed multiple people and it's very easy to prepare. So let's get started with the ingredients. Okay, so we have 2 pounds of ground beef. We have cheddar cheese. We have Gouda cheese. We have a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and this is garlic herb breadcrumbs. We have 2 eggs. We have a 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, and it could be any barbecue sauce you choose. 2½ teaspoons of seasoned salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of black ground pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start putting all our ingredients together, and we're going to mix it up. Now with the ground beef, you're going to have to mix it with your hands, so just make sure we wash your hands. Now we're going to mix this together. Okay, now this cheeseburger is going to be served on a square Hawaiian type of bread. So we're going to form this into a square before we put it in the pan. Now we're going to put this in the pan, and we're going to let this cook until it's brown on one side, and then we're going to flip it. Hopefully it flips okay. Okay, we have it cooking in the pan here, and we're going to try our best to keep it in the form of a square. So you just let this cook until it's nice and brown on one side, and then we're going to most likely flip it onto this tray and then put it back on the side that needs to cook. Get back in the pan. Okay, once we get it on the tray here, then we're going to, starting to break up of course, but we're going to put it, actually what we're going to do, we're going to make this easier on ourselves. We're going to put this in the oven and let this finish cooking. Okay, now we got the burger out of the oven and we're getting ready to transfer it onto our bun here. So I have cheddar cheese here, which I'm going to put on the bottom. You can put as much cheese as you want. Okay. Now we are going to try and transfer this the best way we can without it breaking apart, which it looks like it's going to. Okay, we're going to do this in parts, I think. Alrighty. Now we're going to put the Gouda cheese on top. I really love the flavor of Gouda cheese. It has a similar taste to me like cheddar, but hey, you can use any cheese you want to make this dish. And now we're going to add on top. Now I don't put condiments on here because everyone likes different stuff on their burgers. So the condiments can sit on the side and everybody can serve themselves. So you could cut in between and everybody just grabs a piece of the burger. Okay. So I think I'm going to melt the cheese a little bit more before we serve it. Okay, now that our giant cheeseburger is done, you can get a nice look at this. The cheese in the burger. Looks good. Nice and cheesy. Okay, so let's try this. And this works great for a party. I've made it once for a party and everybody loved it because it's just the right size. You don't have this huge burger. Alright, here we go. And it's juicy. That's good. The smoke gives it a flavor of just being like taken off the grill. It's really, really good. Nice and cheesy, nice and juicy, as you can see. Very good. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section. And I will see you next time on Patricia Delights. Bye.